As dawn breaks, you begin your journey up the winding path leading to the tranquil mountain monastery. Each step feels gentle and deliberate, like a lullaby playing softly in your mind. You breathe deeply, taking in the cool morning air that is fragrant with pine trees. The path twists around you, presenting views of misty peaks and patches of greenery that seem alive under the first light of day. The sound of distant birds singing fills the air, adding a soft melody to your path. As you climb, the monastery comes into view through the trees. It stands still and serene, its white walls shimmering in the early light. A sense of peace washes over you as you approach. The air is cool and fragrant with pine, a gentle breeze carrying whispers from the forest around you. Each breath you take feels like it carries you closer to restful dreams. As you approach the entrance of the monastery, the old wooden door creaks softly with each turn. You push the door open gently, feeling its rough surface under your fingers. The air inside is cool and fresh, carrying a hint of pine trees from outside. You step inside, and the sound of your feet on the stone floor echoes faintly. A soft glow from several lanterns hanging along the walls fills the room with warm light. You see shelves lined with books and wooden tables where monks might have studied or rested. The silence is thick here. Every little noise seems to reverberate longer than usual. You walk slowly down a long hallway, noticing the quietness around you. A few shadows dance on the walls as the lanterns flicker gently. You continue your journey through the monastery, walking along a long hallway. The walls are adorned with old paintings of saints. They look peaceful and wise, as if they've been watching over the place for many years. The light is soft and comes from small windows high up on the wall, casting shadows that dance gently on the floor. The floor beneath your feet is smooth stone, cool to the touch. It feels quiet and solid under your shoes. You can hear your footsteps echo softly as you make your way down the length of the hallway. The air here is slightly cooler than outside, with a subtle smell of old wood and incense that clings to the walls. You keep walking, feeling a sense of calm wash over you. Each step brings you closer to your destination, but for now, you are content just to be in this quiet place. You can feel yourself becoming more relaxed with each passing moment. As you walk down the long, quiet hallway, the sound of your footsteps echoes softly on the polished floor. The walls are lined with soft brown wallpaper that feels like an old friend, welcoming and comforting. At the end of this path is a small door, slightly ajar, inviting you inside. You push open the door slowly, careful not to make any sudden noise. Inside, the room is warm and peaceful. The simple bed looks inviting, covered with a soft blanket that seems to whisper calmness. A wooden chair stands by the window, where golden light from outside gently touches the floor. The air here feels different, more tranquil than in other parts of the monastery. You take off your shoes and place them neatly on the floor beside the door. Then, you sit down on the bed, feeling its firmness against your back. You gaze out the window, watching as the sunset colors the sky in soft shades of pink and orange. The world outside seems to slow down, becoming a distant dream as reality turns into a cozy, sleepy place within this room. You walk into the room, feeling the cool floor against your bare feet as you take off your shoes. You gently place them by the door, watching how they look there like tiny friends waiting by themselves. Your eyes drift to a warm blanket laid out on the bed. It invites you in with its softness and color, a soothing shade of blue that reminds you of a clear mountain sky. You sit down on the edge of the bed, feeling the firm but comfortable mattress. The blanket feels just right as you wrap it around your shoulders. You close your eyes for a moment, allowing yourself to feel relaxed, content with how peaceful this place is. The air here is cool and fresh, like walking through a forest after rain. You stretch out gently, enjoying the sensation of the blanket wrapping warmly around you. You breathe in deeply, letting go of any thoughts or worries that might still be lingering from earlier. Your breathing slows down, becoming deeper and more controlled. You feel yourself sinking into the bed, getting comfortable with each passing second. The world outside seems to fade away, leaving only this quiet room and the soft light coming through the window. You know it's time for sleep now, your body feeling ready to rest after a long day. A gentle smile appears on your face as you realize how lucky you are to be here. You drift off into a peaceful state, ready to go to sleep in this tranquil monastery. The day has slowly faded away, leaving the monastery in gentle twilight. I make my way to the small chapel with a gentle step, careful not to disturb the peacefulness around me. Inside, it is dimly lit by a single candle that casts a soft orange glow. The walls are lined with ancient books and paintings of wise men from times long past. I approach the altar where the candle stands upright, casting its light onto delicate carvings. I take a deep breath, feeling the warmth of the flame against my fingertips as I light it. The flicker of the candle seems to dance in rhythm with my heart, bringing comfort and calm. As the smoke rises in tiny wisps, I close my eyes for a moment, offering a simple prayer of thanks. My voice is soft and gentle, blending with the quiet sounds around me. "Thank you for this day," I whisper. "Please grant us peace as we sleep." Opening my eyes again, I see the candle's light dance gently on the walls, creating shadowy patterns that seem to move slowly across the room. The air feels cool but not cold, filled with a sense of quiet assurance. I turn away from the altar and begin my journey back through the monastery. The path is familiar, winding its way past rooms where monks sit in peaceful meditation or read ancient texts by candlelight. Each door I pass is a reminder of the long history of this place and the many souls who have sought solace here over the years. I make my way to my room, taking one last glance at the flickering candle before closing the door behind me. The light spills into the room, illuminating the simple bed where I will rest tonight. Lying down softly, I feel the coolness of the sheets beneath me and the soft comfort they offer. As I close my eyes, the sound of leaves rustling outside blends with the whispering of the candle flame. The world seems to fade away into a quiet darkness, leaving only the gentle peace of the monastery behind. Outside the monastery, the night is quiet. You sit by a small window, looking out into the cool, dark garden. The air feels still and peaceful. From behind the tall trees and bushes, you can hear the sound of water gently flowing. It's like a soft lullaby, calming your mind. The stream is not loud. It whispers secrets to the night. Its steady, rhythmic sound helps you relax. You close your eyes for a moment, letting the water's melody wash over you. As you listen, you feel your body grow heavier and softer, ready to drift into sleep. The soft rustling of leaves in the wind joins the stream's gentle song. Together, they create a soothing background that makes you want to stay quiet so as not to disturb this peaceful symphony. Outside, the night is full of life. Insects hum softly, and distant birds call out to each other in their sleep. All these sounds blend together, painting a picture of nature's gentle evening. As you listen, you feel your thoughts slow down. Your mind becomes empty, filled only with the sound of water and the quiet of the night. You breathe deeply, letting the cool night air fill your lungs. Each breath brings you closer to sleep. The monastery is still. Even the monks rest now. The silence is comforting, making it easier for you to let go of the day's worries. As the evening draws deeper into night, you find yourself drawn to the warm glow of the candle on your table. With a soft creak, you pull out an old book from the shelf beside it. The leather cover is worn and familiar, fitting perfectly in your hand as if waiting for you. Slowly, you open the book. The pages are yellowed with age but still strong, holding their shape as they unfurl under your touch. You close your eyes, allowing a deep breath to fill your lungs before diving into the words that float, almost physically, around you. The sentence, in the quiet of the night, whispers softly, like a gentle breeze. You read it out loud, feeling the calmness spread through you, as if the very air is thick with peace. In the quiet of the night, the words continue to flow, each one adding a layer of tranquility. You flip a page, and your eyes meet the next line. The world seems to hush. It's as though the whole monastery falls silent at these words. Silence envelopes you like a soft blanket. You breathe in deeply again, letting the sentence rest on your lips before reading it aloud once more. The world seems to hush. The candle flickers gently, casting dancing shadows across the room. The light is warm and comforting, as if it's holding you close. Your heart slows, beating in harmony with the rhythm of the words. A sense of contentment washes over you, like a gentle wave lapping softly at the shore. You continue to read on, only the faintest sounds of nature. The book becomes a companion, a friend in this peaceful space. Each word you read seems to bring more calm, as if the light of the candle is guiding your thoughts gently to sleep. Only the faintest sounds of nature. Another line reads, reminding you that even in quietude, there are moments of beauty. A cricket chirps. You imagine it, a soft and melodic sound, clear against the stillness. A cricket chirps nearby. It brings a smile to your face, a small, gentle laugh. The book is heavy with stories and memories, and as you read them, they seem to merge into the quiet of the night itself. The world outside becomes less important. Only this moment in time matters. You reach for another page, and the stars twinkle. The words almost dance on the paper, their movement sending tiny shivers down your spine. The stars twinkle above. It's a reminder that even in darkness, there is beauty and hope. As you turn to read more, the book becomes a guide, leading your thoughts gently towards sleep. With each page turned, each line read, you feel yourself slipping further into rest, surrounded by tranquility and warmth. The candle flickers again, casting a soft light on your face. You close your eyes, letting the words of the old book seep into your mind like soothing balm. In this moment, there is nothing but peace, and it feels so good. As the evening light fades and the day's warmth drifts away, the mountains around the monastery seem to grow still, as if holding their breath. The air cools gently, bringing with it a softness that wraps you in a cozy blanket of peace. The candle on your desk flickers softly, casting its warm glow over the pages of the old book before you. Slowly, the story becomes harder to read. Your eyes begin to feel heavy, almost as if they are pulling themselves down into a deep, comfortable sleep. Outside, the world quietens. The only sounds are those that nature makes, the soft rustling of leaves, a distant animal calling out its night song, and the gentle hum of the wind stirring through the trees. It's like everything around you is drifting to rest, lulling you into a state of calmness. You stretch your arms above your head, feeling every muscle relax. Your fingers feel heavy as they close over one another. Slowly, slowly, your eyelids start to lower, each blink taking you closer to the warm embrace of sleep. The candle has dimmed almost out of sight. The last flicker seems to dance and then fade away into darkness. The room is now filled with a soft, comforting darkness that invites you in. You feel safe and calm, ready for rest. The night is so still, so quiet. Outside the small window of the warm monastery, the moon shines brightly, casting a silvery light over the mountain peaks. The soft candle in the corner flickers gently, its flame almost steady. You take slow, deep breaths. Each breath you inhale and then exhale feels like a new moment slipping away into sleep. The air is cool but not cold, with just a hint of pine from the trees outside. It makes your nose feel ticklish as you breathe it in deeply. The soft clatter of dishes somewhere in the distance adds to the peacefulness. It's like the gentle sound of rain falling on earth, far away and soothing. You can almost imagine the mountain streams whispering their secrets nearby. You close your eyes gently. The world outside vanishes into a calm sea of darkness. All you can hear now is your own heartbeat, steady and quiet in the still night. The sound of the candle's flicker seems to slow down with time, like the gentle lullaby it could be. You feel all the tension leaving your body, as if it were slowly seeping into the wooden floor beneath you. You drift deeper into this peaceful world. The mountain around you becomes a pillow, soft and warm. And as you lie here, so still, you can almost see the stars dancing in the sky above.